This is a 2011 BMW 528. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, the Driver Assistance Package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, ventilated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear seat entertainment system, Dakota leather upholstery, the Sport Package, adaptive brake lights, xenon headlights, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: a steering wheel with memory settings, cruise control, a rear window defroster, BMW individual composition, 12-volt power outlets, rear seat child-proof door locks, a service level indicator, traction control, memory settings for the side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, it's easy to see how you can save. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.